Myself, Shankarma Chakasali. I have studied in BSc 3rd Sem, SSGFGC College, Narbund, and my combination is CBZ. And my assignment topic name is Synthesis from Alkenes using Peroxides, Acid and Base Catalyzed, Ring Opening of Epoxides with a Mechanism, and Polyether Formation. First, we have know about epoxides. Epoxides are a compound containing a three-membered carbon-oxygen-carbon ring. According to IUPAC system of a nomenclature, an oxygen atom linked to two of the carbon atoms in a carbon ring is denoted by the prefix epoxy. There are cyclic ethers, but the three-membered rings give them unusual reactivity. The simplest epoxide is ethylene oxide or a epoxyethane. The epoxides are named by numbering the alkyl chain and indicating the two carbons to which oxygen is attached. The prefix epoxy denotes the functional group. Example, epoxyethane and 1,2-epoxy propane. Next, we have know the IUPAC nomenclature of epoxides. Next, we have know about synthesis from alkenes using peroxides. First one, epoxides are very easy to prepare via the reaction of an alkene with the peroxides. This process is known as a epoxidation. Next, we have see the example for a epoxides synthesis. When alkene is reacts with the peroxy acid, it will go oxidation. It gives the epoxides and carboxylic acid. In this, epoxides is a main product. Next, epoxides are synthesized by the oxidation of alkenes by peroxy compounds such as a peracetic acid and or a parabenzoic acid. Next, we have know the reactions. When ethylene is reacts with the peracetic acid, it will undergo oxidation and it will give the ethylene oxides. Next, we have now the acid and base catalyzed ring opening of epoxides with a mechanism. Epoxides are undergo ring opening reactions with the compounds having an active hydrogen in presence of an acid. The activity hydrogen compounds may be water, alcohol, ammonia, and HBr, etc. Next, we have know the example for a acid catalyzed ring opening of epoxides. When example for a acid base catalyzed ring opening, when epoxides are reacts with the water, it will go acidification to form a 1,2-diethanoid. Next example, epoxides are reacts with the ethanol, it will go acidification to forms 2-ethoxyethanol. Orientation of a epoxide ring opening by acids. The active hydrogen compounds attacks the epoxides from the opposite side. It is a SN2 type of a reactions. In the transition state of a most SN2 reactions, bond breaking and bond makings have a procedure to about some extent. But in acid catalyzed cleavage of an epoxides, the carbon oxygen bond is already weak because of the angle strain of the three-membered ring is further weakened by a protonation. Example for a orientation of epoxide ring opening by acids. When epoxypropane, it will undergo protonation. It will give the product 3-ethoxybutane 2-ol. Next, we have know the base catalyzed cleavage of epoxides. Epoxides undergo ring opening of reactions with the active hydrogen containing compounds in the presence of strong base. Here, No protonation, the strong base can act as a strong nucleophile in general. Next we have no orientation of epoxide ring opening by a base. The strong base, a good nucleophile, can attack the epoxides from the backside by a SN2 mechanism. The attack occur at the less hindered carbon. In base catalyst, the nucleophile as a strong base can directly attack the carbon, forming a covalent bond, the carbon oxygen bond is cleavaged by placing a negative charge on an oxygen atom. This taken an proton forming OH. Next we have know the polyether formation. This material was introduced in Germany in 1960. The commercial names are Impregum, Remitic, Polygel and Permadine, etc. Next we have know the formation of a polyethers by a reactions when ethylene oxide is reacts with the ether to form ethers, to form polyethers. Thank you.